Hi, this video is on the limits of a function, and this is part one and the introduction. So here is the limit of a function, and the way it's read is you say the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to b. And here I said what f of x will be in this equation, and f of x can be anything. Any of these variables can be anything. I'm just saying this is what I'm making them. So f of x is going to be equal to x squared plus 10. A will be equal to 0, and b is going to be equal to 10. So let's come down here. And so a can be anything. A is just some value on the x-axis. And I'm saying it's going to be equal to 0. And the b is just some value on the y-axis. And the way this function looks is it's just going to be a parabola, and it's going to cross the y-axis at 10. So how does this work out? I mean, what this function, what this limit is really saying is that as I'm plugging in values into x, from the x-axis, I'm going to get closer to some value that I'm saying. So in this situation, I said my a value is 0, and my b is 10. And what that's saying is that as I'm plugging in values into here, as I'm plugging in values into x, whatever values I put in here, so long as I keep getting closer to a, I'm going to get closer to this value b on the y-axis. So as I'm plugging in values, let's say I'm over here. Let's say I'm at negative 100, and I plug it in. That means I'm going to be way over here, and I'll be a good distance away from 10. But as I come in closer into this way, the value of y is going to keep coming down until I get to 10, when the value of x is equal to a, which is equal to 0. Same thing on this side. If I'm coming in this way, the value of y is going to keep dropping until this one reaches 0 and this one reaches 10. So let's show that. So first off, let's say I plug in, because I'm plugging in values into x. So if I say x is 10, so if x is equal to 10, that means it's going to be 10 squared plus 10, which is going to be equal to 110. So that would be that value. Now if I plug in negative 10, if I'm coming from the other side, negative 10 squared plus 10, I'm still going to get 110. Oops, so it's not a G, there you go. So I'll still get 110 for this. Now if I plug in 5 here, I'm going to get 35. If I plug in negative 5, I'll still get 35. Now when I plug in the value of 0, I'm going to get 10. And it just so happens that my value of a is equal to 0, and my value of b was equal to 10. And that's what it's telling you. So as you're getting closer to 0, you're going to get closer to this value. That's what I'm showing you. I'm showing you from both ends here, which is as you come this way or this way, you're going to get closer to this value, as in it's going to come down this way, straight to your answer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you, and good luck in your classes.